All right, now we've got another topic. Describe a good advertisement that you think is useful.
I would like to talk about job advertisements that usually our in my country the billboards demonstrate, uh, because as you know there are a lot of people in my country that are jobless. In fact, they are seeking jobs in other developed countries like Middle East, Europe, and uh, far from the Europe. So I think there are some websites like LinkedIn, Naukri.com. These are the some websites that are useful for educated people that are very skillful, like higher level, masters or PhD. But furthermore, there are two types of people in my country that they are seeking jobs, like uneducated people and educated people. For uneducated people, there are some TV channels that shows different types of job advertisements, and these advertisements are very useful for them, like job advertisements for electricians, plumbers. These are highly skilled jobs, but not for educated people. So I think these are the advertisements that are very useful for
Okay, well
people.
done. 1 minute, 16 seconds, but overall it's very good. Just try to brush up a little on English pronunciation. Because if you speak the sounds of English, for example, job of plumber, plumber instead of plumber, plumber, right? So you can easily do it with the help of IELTS listening. So once your pronunciation is better with the same English, you can get even better pen score because pronunciation accounts for 25% of your total marks. So you will get higher on that, okay? All right, let's go on. Describe a bad service you received in a restaurant or shop.
I recall a bad service I faced in a restaurant. It happened 2 years ago when I went on a tour with my college fellows when I was in Punjab College. Overall, whole trip was fine. The transportation and the residence, the restrooms were perfect. But we faced a issue in our food. The college administration offered us one-time food for every day, which was lunch. Uh, so, which was
Come on, come on. Yeah.
which was lunch. The food. Firstly, the food was really bad. The taste and it was really spicy, and moreover, the place was really rushed and full of people. It was a really uncomfortable and suffocated environment. So even some of my friends didn't get to eat something, so they had to buy something from their own money from outside the restaurant. Uh, uh, Even we complained the management to fix this issue and replace some other to send us to some other restaurant, but they never took it seriously. So we had to face it for whole 7 days for a whole week. Overall, the trip was fine, but the that was a bad experience eating
All
that food.
right, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Try to speak with a little more energy. Be more energetic, okay? And as you're talking, before you start, you need to prepare very well. So I think you need to focus on note taking skills. In Q card, they will give you time to take some notes. So you need to write down some notes clearly, pick up your note number one, speak, pick up your note number two, speak. So in the like when you started, after a few seconds it sounded like you were lacking the content,
Mm.
but then afterwards you are fine. And connect yourself with the cue card.
Mm.
I mean, don't just throw the cue card away. You just see now you're speaking on this point, now you're speaking on this point, or connect yourself with the notes that you take. This will improve, but overall it's good. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you. All right, now we've got one more topic. Describe a party that you enjoyed. Yes.
Well, I have attended many parties, but the most memorable party of my life is Punjab College Ukara farewell party. This party was held in Lubaba Marki. All the students, teachers, principal, and the great personality director of PGC Ukara was also come in this party. Many exciting tableaus were played by the students. Many sweet dishes and crispy dishes were also served in these parties. All the students enjoy the whole party. Me and my friends were also participated in a dance. The dance was a lovely moment of this party. I enjoy the whole party because I like the friend community, and all my friends come in this party, take pictures with each other, with other students, and with the teachers. This party was really a memorable period of my life. I also like those golden days of my life.
Okay, so party finished in 55 seconds. Try to speak a little more, okay? Overall, good. I really appreciate that. I was just looking at the book, but you were speaking on your own, which is very positive, okay? Keep it up and try to change your style also. It sounds like you are making 10 sentences. So instead of making sentences, you need to come up to conversation style, right? That will improve it further. By the way, what was your bench score in the last speaking exam? 5, all right. Okay. So you need to work very hard. Be active and alert in the class, right? Thank you.